Hi, I'm Calvin, and I personally manage Google Ads for businesses that want more calls, leads, and sales without wasting your ad spend. Google Ads works by placing your business in front of people who are actively searching for what you offer. My job is to make sure you show up for the right searches with ads that stand out and traffic that lands on pages crucially designed to convert. And that bit's very important. I handle everything myself: strategy, setup, ongoing optimization, and reporting depending on what you need. There's no account handoffs, no junior managers, and no bloated agency layer. Just clear communication, honest strategy, and measurable results. If you're considering Google Ads or want a second opinion on your current setup, book a free call or look at your goals, your market, and see if this makes sense for your business. Thanks. Get in touch today.